Hi everyone, Stéphane Hamel here, author of Vinci Tools. Here's a very quick overview of one of the many cool features of Vinci Tools. You can look at any of your current Google Analytics report and simply do an export to Google Sheet for Supermetrics. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So it copies the current configuration of what I'm looking at in GA into my clipboard. Now I can go to Supermetrics, and right now what I have is a super simple query with just dates and users. And we can see the result here. We have dates and users. I'm going to go back to Supermetrics. I don't want to overwrite the query ID, so I'm going to paste what's in my clipboard into the second column. And now I can simply go and do a refresh all queries. And in a few seconds, we're going to see, boom, you got the update based on the report configuration, including the segments, the dates, all the customization you might have done in your GA report. You got the results right here. Isn't it cool? So go ahead and install Vinci Tools.